Don't you have a lot already?
I don't know. They're just on my bed. I don't do it.
There you go. This one. What else they got?
This is a good set.
Yeah. There's another one there.
It has been gone through.
Okay. It's
like
incomplete.
98, 99.
That's fine. That's fine.
Just so you know.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't want you going there like, oh.
Yeah. No. That's fine. Appreciate it.
20?
No. Like
10?
And that one's incomplete. You do both for 15?
Both for 20? A lot of cards in here.
Yeah, but. Alright, that's fine.
Yeah.
20, yeah.
66. Even 60?
Perfect.
All right, brother.
Really appreciate it, man.
No problem, man. Thanks for coming out again.
Yeah, always. Hey everyone, welcome back to Birdbrain Gaming. Today we're gonna check out this box of TOPPS 1990 football cards. This box is a complete set of 528 cards. If you checked out that short clip, I found this box at a yard sale for $10. The guy at the sale said that it's been picked through before, so obviously the good cards will probably be gone. But we're gonna go through this box and see if there are any good cards left, any good players from 1990. So let's check out what's in this football box. Just give you a look around this box. Still not too bad for $10. Now I have the cards in team order. So I'm going to show you, if you have a favorite team, you're going to see the players of that team. I have it sorted out by teams. Let's check out what's inside. Got a pretty full box, still missing some cards. Let's take out some cards. Start going through them. Alright, first team. Where are all the Eagles fans at? We got Jerome Brown, Keith Byers, Anthony Tony. I'll just go through them a little quick because there's a lot of cards. If I see any names that I remember or I'm familiar with, I'll just point it out. Got Reggie White, All-Pro. If you want to pause to read, just pause. That's cool, Reggie White. Draft pick, Ben Smith. Ron Johnson, wide receiver. And Randall Cunningham, quarterback. If you can see the edges, they're in pretty good shape. The centering looks a little off, but the corners look really good. Alright, let's go on to the next team. Where are the Patriots fans at? I got Eric Sievers, Cedric Jones, draft pick Chris Singleton, Bruce Armstrong, Steve Grogan, quarterback. Wow, this guy's been playing since '75. Yeah, he's retired. Sammy Martin and Mark Wilson, quarterback. These cards are in really good shape. Alright, let's go on to the next team. Where are the 49ers fans? I got 49ers up next. Kevin Fagan, Roger Craig, Matt Millen, Mike Kofer, the kicker, Bubba Paris, tackle, John Taylor, Harris Barton, that name sounds familiar. Got a draft pick, Dexter Carter, running back. And Pierce Holt. So no Jerry Rice, no Joe Montana. Those cards were plucked out of this box. It's no surprise the good cards are gone. Alright, let's go on to the next team. We're the New York Giants fans. Eric Dorsey. Odessa Turner. Why does that name sound familiar? I'm having vague flashbacks of a lot of these players' names. Otis Anderson. Harry Williams. Draft pick, Rodney Hampton, running back. Leonard Marshall. Phil Simms, quarterback. I remember watching him play back in the day. Pepper Johnson and Mark Collins. Alright, let's go on to the next team. Alright, let's take out some more cards. Next team, the Buccaneers. Got Ron Hall, Vinny Testaverde, quarterback. That's a famous name, I remember. Pretty cool. The cards are in really good shape too. Bruce Hill, wide receiver. Ricky Reynolds. Kevin Murphy. Danny Peebles. And draft pick Keith McCants, outside linebacker. Alright, let's go on to the next team. We have the Green Bay Packers. Don Majkowski, quarterback. Dave Brown, cornerback. Draft pick Darrell Thompson, running back. Another draft pick, Tony Bennett, outside linebacker. TOPPS All-Pro Sterling Sharp, wide receiver. And our last card, Tim Harris, TOPPS All-Pro, outside linebacker. Alright, let's move on to the next team. We got the New York Jets. Pat Leahy, James Hasty, Al Toon, Roger Vick, (1990) draft pick Blair Thomas, running back. Ken O'Brien, quarterback. Tony Eason, another quarterback. Kyle Clifton and Dennis Bird. Alright, let's move on to the next team. Buffalo Bills. Shane Conlan. Bruce Smith. Jim Kelly, quarterback. Andre Reed. Cornelius Bennett. Thurman Thomas. And Darryl Talley. Thurman Thomas is a name I'm familiar with. Alright, let's go on to the next team. We're the Colts fans. Keith Taylor. Albert Bentley. Jack Trudeau, quarterback. Bill Brooks. All-Pro, Ray Donaldson. Chip Banks. And draft card, Jeff George, quarterback. Card looks pretty good. Censoring is slightly off. Looks like the print is slightly to the left. Alright, let's go on to the next team. Got the Chargers. Jamie Holland. Billy Joe Tolliver, quarterback. Billy Ray Smith. Lee Williams, Tim Spencer, and Gary Plummer. Alright, let's go on to the next team. Miami Dolphins. Jeff Cross, Andre Brown. Draft pick, Richmond Webb, tackle. Sammy Smith. TJ Turner, defensive end. And Roy Foster. Let's check out the next team. We've got the Redskins. Mark Rapine, quarterback. Gary Clark, Darrell Green, Art Monk, wide receiver, and All-Pro Jim Lachey. Alright, let's move on to the next team. Got the Chiefs. Steve Pellor, quarterback. Steve DeBerg, quarterback. Draft pick, Percy Snow, inside linebacker. All-Pro Albert Lewis, cornerback. And All-Pro Christian Okoye, running back. Alright, let's move on to the next team. Next team, the Bears.
Bears.
Chicago Bears. Dan Hampton, Ron Morris, Jim Harbaugh, quarterback. All-Pro Mike Singletary. Brad Muster and Trace Armstrong. Alright, let's check out the next team. We have the Seahawks. Rufus Porter. Dave Craig, quarterback. We have a draft pick card. Cortez Kennedy, defensive tackle. Andy Heck. Jacob Green. And Norm Johnson. Alright, let's move on to the next team. Alright, we have here the Bengals. Jason Buck. James Brooks. Ickey Woods. Interesting name. TOPPS All-Pro. David Fulcher. All-Pro Anthony Munoz, tackle. All-Pro Rodney Holman. Eric Thomas. And Boomer Esiason, quarterback. This name I remember. Alright, let's go on to the next team. Where are the Cardinals fans at? Cardinals are up next. Freddie Joe Nunn. Tim McDonald. Gary Holgeboom, quarterback. Roy Green. Joe Wolf. And Tim Rosenbach, quarterback. Let's move on to the next team. Let's grab some more cards. Alright, where are the Oakland Raiders fans? Was this the Oakland Raiders at the time? Oh, Los Angeles Raiders, excuse me. The Raiders have moved around. Now they're the Las Vegas Raiders. Raiders have been moved around everywhere. Steve Berlaine, quarterback. Tim Brown. Steve Smith. Marcus Allen. Greg Townsend. And Howie Long, defensive end. Alright, next team. We have the Saints. Craig Hayward. Ricky Jackson. Eric Martin. John Fourcade, quarterback. And Dalton Hilliard, running back. Alright, let's move on and check out the next team. Dallas Cowboys. Ken Norton. Kelvin Martin. Mike Saxton. I remember the Cowboys being a good team at the time. They had Deion Sanders. I don't think he was on the team during this time. 1990. Might have been a few years later. I think he was in the Falcons. I could be wrong. Just correct me in the comments. Steve Walsh, quarterback. Darryl Johnson. Alright, let's check out the next team. Minnesota Vikings. Reggie Rutland. Herschel Walker, running back. Card's in good shape too. All-Pro Chris Dolman. All-Pro Keith Millard. Steve Jordan. Wade Wilson, quarterback. Alright, let's check out the next team. Denver Broncos. Ron Holmes. Vance Johnson. Mark Jackson. And Melvin Bratton. Next team. We have the Lions. Jim Arnold. Draft pick. Mark Spindler, defensive tackle. Jason Phillips. Draft pick, Andre Ware, quarterback. Eddie Murray. And Jerry Ball. Alright, let's move on. Alright, this will be the last stack of cards. Cleveland Browns. We have David Grayson. Felix Wright. Webster Slaughter. Bernie Kosar, quarterback. Mike Johnson. Clay Matthews. And Lawyer Tillman. Let's check out the next team. Next up, we have the Houston Oilers. This team no longer exists. They changed to the Tennessee Oilers in the mid to late 90s, which they ended in 1998 as the Oilers, and they changed to the Tennessee Titans. John Grimsley. Drew Hill. Ray Childress. Sean Jones. Draft pick, Jeff Alm. And Warren Moon, quarterback. Alright, let's check out the next team. Got the Rams. LA Rams at the time. Greg Bell. Topps All-Pro, Jerry Gray. Draft pick, Pat Terrell, safety. Jim Everett, quarterback. And Topps All-Pro, Tom Newberry. Alright, let's check out the next team. Where are the Pittsburgh Steelers fans at? Mark Stock. Draft pick, Barry Foster, running back. Topps All Pro, Rod Woodson. Merrill Hodge. Bubby Brister, quarterback, and Craig Lloyd, outside linebacker. Alright, let's check out the next team. This will be the last team, and then we'll go through the miscellaneous cards and end the video there. Falcons, John Settle, Michael Haynes, Chris Miller, quarterback, Sean Collins, and Scott Case, cornerback. Alright, so that does it for all the teams. Let's go through the miscellaneous cards. Okay, we have a Super Bowl 24 card, 49ers 55, Broncos 10. Receiving leaders, Jerry Rice and Andre Reed. Sack leaders, Chris Dolman and Lee Williams. Rushing leaders, Barry Sanders and Christian Okoye. Passing leaders, Joe Montana and Boomer Esiason. We have a 1989 record breakers, Flipper Anderson and Kevin Butler. Then we have shots from the games. I'll just go through these quick, there's quite a lot. Montana to Craig, a winning duel.
Well, it's Monday night and we're ready to strike. Our special forces are in full flight. We're coming by air and on the ground. Monday Night Football's taking over the town. We gotta get ready. We gotta get right. It's gonna be a battle in the NFL tonight. So get ready. I mean, get ready.
Sims likes his OJ. That's funny.
A Monday night invasion. Yeah, this is Rockin' Randall Hank with a special alert for the nation. Here come the hits, the bangs, the blocks, and the spikes. 'Cause all my rowdy friends drop in on Monday night time. Let it fly, boy.
Aikman directs ground attack. Yeah, his card's not in here either. Alright, we got the checklist cards, and that's it. We're done for today. We have from number 1 to number 528, which is what the box says. 528 cards. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below your favorite teams, your favorite players from the 1990s. Was this a good deal for $10 at a yard sale? Even though it's missing a lot of key big player cards. Me personally, I think it was a pretty good deal considering all the cards I got. There's still about close to 500 cards. Alright, smash that like button, subscribe to Bird Brain Gaming, leave a comment down below, hit that bell notification button for alerts on future videos, and I'll see you all next time. Later, everyone.